How to transfer money from Revolut to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your Revolut account to a bank account. So first of all, just open your Revolut account and sign into your account, and after that just click on transfer and click on new, and after that just select the bank recipient and select the recipient country and currency and add their account details and tap add recipient. And after that just go back to your transfer tab, and after that just tap on the search bar and select the account and choose the beneficiary, and after that just tap send and enter the amount you wish to transfer along with the references and click on continue. Before you complete the transfer, review all the details if everything is in order, and if everything is in order, just press send. So this is how you do it. So this is how you will be able to transfer your money from your Revolut account to a bank account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.